All right, decided to trade the top step combines here, and so you can see I've already had a realized profit of 250 and up 400 on this. I got to get this account to 106,000, so still a little bit of ways away. But you know, every trade counts. So went long here, 3 M and Qs, and then I have, you can probably see it down here, but 2 ES basically, um, as well. So wanted to, here, I'll switch to the ES chart. So went long here, 2 ES, and so up to 275 on that. Probably gonna sell one here, and then just let the other one run. Let's just sell
Order
one,
filled.
bank that, um, go back to the M&Q, sell one
Order
of those as
filled.
well. I did trade my Apex PA account earlier this morning, and so that one is sitting kind of steady actually. Um, I didn't trade well the other night, despite seeing everything just go straight up. I mean, in hindsight, obviously, I should have just ridden like 1 to 3 micros and just let it run. The strat said 2 up, so that's obviously what happened. Just like it's saying 2 up on this hour here as well. After a slight pullback inside, and so just gonna let it run. We got a new hour coming up. Be interesting to see what happens here on this new hour coming here in about 6 minutes. I don't normally stream during the day, uh, but I wanted to trade this session here about midday, and just see if we can get some more upside out of it. So here we are. And I'm trading this from my MacBook Pro, which I usually just either use my phone or my desktop. So one of my buddies just passed 150K over at Apex, so I'm happy for him at that. Um, One of my other friends, she's gotten 2 payouts recently, so good on her for that too. And but yeah, just trading the Apex PA account and working on 2 combines at Top Step. I'm sure I'm going to grab some more Apex accounts as well. They're still doing the $85 lifetime fee, so you can use my code for that, BluesTrades. That'll get you 80% off the accounts right now, and still $85 lifetime fee. So it's still a great opportunity. And they're still allowing 20 accounts, so that's great. For all those of you who got caught up in the fast track trading, I tried to warn everybody. Um, there were so many red flags from the beginning for me. That's why I never got involved. Um, and it just way, 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 way too many red flags over there. I did buy one 25K account over there. I think it was like $99. I thought, oh, I'll give it a shot, in despite of you know um all the red flags. Because I know somebody that got some payouts, so I said, well, I'll give it a shot. But I was just like, I didn't have a lot of faith in it. Like I said, there were just way too many red flags from the very beginning, and I feel very bad for the people who got caught up in that. And thousands of dollars they were owed, and they didn't get paid. But I got to tell you something, Apex isn't going to do that to you. They're going to pay you. You trade by their rules, they will pay you. So I'm evident of it. Got some friends who are evident of it, tons of other people online. So go with a reputable company. And for me, that's Apex and Top Step. I'm just not messing with any of the rest of them. I do know my funded futures pays as well, but again, for me, it's just Apex and Top Step. I don't have the brain power to be worrying about everybody's rules and so on and so forth. I know what the rules are at Apex. I know what the rules are at Top Step, and so that's what I'm sticking with. Definitely made the right call there on that mini. Um, so just letting things roll, letting things roll. See what happens here. May go ahead and put in a stop. Need to see, I'm sure we may get a little bit of a pullback here. In fact, I think I'm just going to take that trade off. So let's see what happens here.
Order filled.
It doesn't look like a TTO here because they didn't leave a long wick. Usually, you can tell TTO because they leave a long wick up here and then they come down, and so like this created a mini broadening formation. So, they may come down and retrace this here all the way to 94.
Order
In fact,
filled.
that's just the MNQ. So banked 706 here today. Again, I got to get this count to 106. So, I still got a couple grand to go. Not a bad little total today, 706. Um, I wanted to swing long all night, but the issue with that for me was we had some data this morning, and I didn't, if we got caught, I didn't want to be trapped in that and be asleep. So I do trade the Strat. For those of you that are watching that never seen my channel before, I do trade the Strat. It was created by Rob Smith, and I miss that guy a lot. I learned so much from him, and but Sarah Strat Sniper, her YouTube channel, I gained a ton of information, and from her on the Strat as well. Alex's options, Adex trades, all those guys, trade the Strat, and for me, there's no better system out there. It's price action. It's based in price action. It's basically a language for price action. So, so I was right about this little pullback right here. I just didn't want to play it. I would have rather just taken off my trade. So that's what I did. My voice is a little crackly. I'm not sure why, but the only thing I don't like about Top Step is that consistency rule in their evals. I just think it's a little hard to overcome, but I've been doing it. I think my percentage yesterday, I think one day at 45%, and then on the other account, I think it was like at 32% or something. So, um, I decided to work on the consistency here because Apex's consistency rules for payout. So I know that it's going to sound a little odd, but I needed to know that I could do the consistency, you know, in an eval before I did it, in a PA for payout. So that's kind of was my thinking there. This could just be a minor pullback um to go higher, but I don't know. Uh, I mean, obviously, we are what the Strat would call time frame continuity to the upside, and we're definitely two up on the day, no doubt about it. Yeah, so see two up during the we came pulled back, and then now we're much higher. And this was an old fib, or yeah, this was an old fib that I drew. So this is how you get targets that don't exist, right? Because people are like, well, where's the target going to be at all time high? Well, you just take fib tools and draw up, and it's going to give you extensions. And I told somebody at work yesterday that he asked me if where I thought we were going next year, um if we would go two up, and I said we'll probably get a retrace back. Usually happens first, when president first year of their term usually gets a pullback, and then we'll go all time highs, and I think that's exactly what'll happen. So I don't think you can look at the yearly here on Top Step. So we'll go to here to a yearly here on ES. I'm going to need to remove this because this is a broadening formation that I drew. Okay, maybe. Has to be. Would you move, please? Okay. So you can see this year, obviously, massive two up, right? Like, this was all technically consolidation and then just all time highs. Now, what I suspect will happen in 2025 is we'll get some pullback. Maybe about right here. So 5508, 5729. I mean, just depending on how far they want to pull back. But then I'll look for more upside. If you wanted to do an extension, let's see how you could do that technically. Extension, okay. Okay, obviously I can't, that's not right. But basically you would take from the top and then just go up with your extension. And let's just see what a retracement actually does. Come on. Now, obviously, I don't look for us to go that high, but that'll just give you some idea of where your extensions would go. But typically, the first year of any new presidency, um, you get downward, a little bit of downward momentum and pullback. Um, I don't think we look for a major, you know, like the market's not going to crash, but it's healthy to get pullbacks. You can't just go straight up forever. So we need some pullback. We definitely need some pullback. I'm pretty happy with the way I've traded today, though. Um, Told somebody I couldn't see a reason to be short, especially once we got out of this range. But election night was fun. Um, but yeah, so we needed to. If you looked at all this from the perspective of the strat and drew this as an inside, right, and then two up. I always refer to the week and daily when I'm starting my analysis. Then I go down to the, you can see here on the hour, about to go two up. Then I'll go down to the 4 hour. And so yeah, so if we, I mean, I don't see it happening today, but 60.17 would be the next target as far as fibs go, and 60.37. I mean, unless it's just short term time frames, everything is two up. There's your week, massive two up. um, there's your month. So yep, unless you're playing on a super short time frame, two up. Just sort of reminded me when I said that. Probably dating myself here, but uh remember Super Mario Brothers, and it'll go up, 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 and whenever you hit on the turtle on the staircase coming down, and you could keep jumping on him, and you'd get more men, you'd get more lives. Mario would get extra lives. while the market's just sitting here waiting, let's look at Forex Factory and see if we have any news in the morning. I can't remember. Um, Not really. Not really. Okay, well, that's good. All right, well, I need to get off here. I got some things to do before I gotta go to work. Oh, Marcus is chilling. Anyway, so, um, I will, I'll try to do a stream in the morning because don't really stream that much, during the day, but may try to start doing that a little bit more. But if there's anything I would encourage you to do, it's to learn the strat because you don't need any indicators. And it's a beautiful thing. It is its own language, but pretty easy to pick up. But yeah, so I will hop on either late tonight or sometime tomorrow and do a stream. May do a late night stream here tonight. So all right, hope everyone has a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Apex code is there. BluesTrades that'll get you 80% off. Still $85 lifetime fee. And let's let's make 2025 the best yet. So all right, take care.